Do you want to know which country your iPhone was originally made for? Not where it was assembled, but which region Apple intended it to be sold in. Whether you bought your iPhone secondhand, received it as a gift, or you're just curious, this video will show you exactly how to find your iPhone's country of origin in just a few simple steps. The first step is to open the settings on your device and then hop over to the General section. After this step, I'm going to tap the About option right here, which will then give me different information about my device. You'll be able to see things like the software version, serial number, the warranty, and all that other stuff. But we're interested in this model number, and this will help us identify where the iPhone is coming from. We need to identify the two letters that are right before the slash in the model number, and in my case, these two letters are Q and N. Maybe you have different letters, such as LL, DN, or similar letters. So just write those letters somewhere, and then let's continue to the next step. I'm now going to exit the settings page, and I'm going to open my web browser. And you'll want to start typing this specific phrase. I'll type iPhone model iPhone wiki. And then open this specific website. I'll make sure to leave this website in the description of the video so you can open the correct one. This will give us a list of regions that are connected to the two letters, which we found in the model number. So if you had the letters LL, then your iPhone is manufactured for the American and Canadian market. If you have BR, then you can see that your phone is made for the Brazilian market, and so on. So just open this website from the video description, find the two letters in the iPhone settings, and then check out what region your iPhone was made for. Mine was Q and N, but I can't seem to find it on this list. So what you can do is to go over to Google, type in iPhone region, then your letters, which is QN in my case, and then we'll get these search results. I will open the Apple Support Community page, which will then give me the answer which I need. And here are my iPhone letters, which means that my iPhone was produced for the Norway and Sweden market. Tell me in the comments down below which region your iPhone was produced for, and if you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like.